The Tropical Rainforest. By Vanya Benjamin. Tropical rainforests are described as a location where the climate is always warm, a lot of rainfall, and exactly 12 hours of sunlight every day. Rainforests are the richest land biomes on Earth. South America, Africa, and the Indo-Malayan region near the equator all contain tropical rainforest. It is estimated that 50% of the Earth's biodiversity can be found in the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests have a complex structure, which includes the forest floor, understory, and canopy. The canopy is the richest region of the diverse rainforest, and ranges in thickness from 10 to 40 feet. Species usually thought of as ground dwellers have adapted to life in the canopy, for example, worms, crabs, frogs, kangaroos, anteaters, and porcupines feed on the abundance of fruits, seeds, and leaves, or the numerous animals that are attracted these foods. The understory is relatively dim and dark because of the thick canopy layer. Most of the plants and animals that live in the understory have learned to adapt with its cool and damp temperatures. The ground floor of the rainforest is the site for important interactions and complex relationships. The forest floor is one of the principal sites of decomposition, a process paramount for the continuance of the forest as a whole. It is also home to thousands of plants and animals, and provides support for trees responsible for the formation of the canopy. The ground level is the region of the forest which was first explored and has been the most intensively studied. The rainforest biome remains warm all year and must stay frost-free. The average daily temperatures range from 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Rainforests receive the most rain of all of the biomes in a year. A typical year sees 2,000 to 10,000 millimeters of rain per year. Some of the dominant plants of the tropical rainforest are evergreen trees, epiphytes, and long lianas. The evergreen tree have a thick wavy layer on their leaves to reduce water loss due to the intense sunlight in the canopy layers. Epiphytes are air plants, meaning their water and nutrients come from the air. They grow on the trees but do not parasitize them. Long lianas are hanging vines with long, flexible, climbing stems that are rooted in the ground, usually having long dangling branches. Some of the dominant animals of the tropical rainforest are jaguar, the loin-tailed macaque, and the tree frog. The jaguar spends its time in the understory branches, waiting and hunting for prey to pass on the forest floor. The jaguar uses its coat as camouflage to hide from prey. The lion-tailed macaque adapts well in their environment. Their silver manes help keep off the rain during heavy downpours. They are able to collect a lot of food quickly in their cheek pouches while avoiding predators. The red-eyed tree frog uses their suction cup-like toes to navigate through the understory's dark, damp, and humid environments. They are able to keep their young safe by launching them down in the forest floor waters without being harmed by predators. The abiotic factors of the tropical rainforest are climate, soil type, precipitation, temperature, and sunlight. The biotic factors are animals, plants, insects, reptiles, fungi, and microorganisms. In the tropical rainforest, there are a few natural resources. Gold, copper, diamonds, and other precious metals and gemstones are important resources found over the world. Most of the natural resources are non-renewable because it has a limited supply and are similarly formed from geological processes that span millions of years. One of the most affecting environmental threats to the tropical rainforest is the human demand for wood and arable land. The rainforest once grew over 14% of the land on Earth, now it only covers about percent. Nations drive demand for tropical timber, farmland, and burning trees to generate electricity. The things that can be done to help protect the rainforest is sustainable logging regimes that selectively cull trees rather than clear-cut them. Humans can also use solar energy rather than burning trees for electricity.